All right, once you're in your Google account, we are going to be creating a Google site for your Math in the Real World project. We will be doing multiple websites, at least 2 this year. So this is the first one, so you'll be able to kind of compare how we did this Google site to the other website that we're going to create later in the school year. And just like with anything, there are things that you're going to have preference to. You know, some things you're going to think are maybe more user-friendly in one program versus the other. Okay, so in Google, you're going to click on, doesn't matter which Google page you are on, as long as you see these, this cube up here with the 9 boxes. Okay, you're going to click on that, and here are your options. Now, your preferences or your icons that you see here are based on what icons maybe you use the most frequently. So mine has sites right here. But if you don't see sites on this first page, you're just going to click more, and it should show up on the second page of your icons. Okay, so you're going to click on sites. And Google Sites is going to open. Now yours is not going to look the same as mine because I have all kinds of sites that have been shared with me. Okay, these were all sites that 8th graders last year made. But you will see this button over here on your left-hand side that says Create. Red button. Okay, go ahead and click Create. And now we have some choices to make. Google has templates that you can use, or you can start blank. The Google templates, there are a ton of them, and not all of them are going to be what we're looking for. And sometimes when you use a template, it just creates more work for you because you have to delete the things you don't want. So we are going to stay with a blank template, but we can add in a theme. So go ahead and name your site Math in the Real World, : and then you're going to put the occupation you chose. So if you chose chef, and then a space, and then your initials. Do you have people in your class that have 2 of the same initials? Yeah, Kaylee. Okay, so Kaylee and Chrissy, you put in your middle initial then. You have the same middle initial. Oh, okay. Yep. That's perfect then. Okay, so, and then your initials. Math in the Real World, : the occupation, and then your initials. Now below here, right, that's what they said, but as long as you have different occupations. All right, below there is where we're going to select a theme. So click Select a Theme, and then these are the themes you can choose from. Okay, this is just going to be like your background. So take a minute here, pick a theme. Once you have the red box around your theme, okay, then you're going to go ahead and click Create. You'll notice at the top of your screen, it's telling you it's creating your site. Please wait. Be patient. All right, now after your site has been created, okay, this is basically just the shell. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through how we add pages to the site to ensure that you have all of the pages that are required looking at the rubric. So the first thing on the rubric that you need is a home page, which it creates for you. So the second thing we need to make sure we have a page for our job facts, just the generic facts that you came up with. You need a page for how they use math. You need a page for your important person, and you need a page for your sources. So we are going to go ahead and add those 4 pages right now. Okay, so up here in the top right corner of your screen are the different settings that you're going to need to use. So the first thing we're going to do is add those pages. So this, you're going to click Create Page, this page plus the plus, and name your page. You're going to name it your occupation and then facts. So if I'm doing chef, I'm going to do chef facts. You're just creating your pages right now. All right, now we're not going to change any of these settings here below here. It's just telling us that it's putting it at the top level. So we're going to have a home page, and the next page or tab will be our fact page. Okay, so go ahead and click Create. And then you will notice that it pops up here, okay, in your menu.